Welcome to today's meditation by Saturn Therapies. Now just get yourself comfortable. Make sure that you're free from any distractions. Turn your phone off or onto airplane mode. Allow yourself just to find a space to relax, to take some time for you. And then as you do, whether you're sitting or lying down, take a nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And if you just repeat that another 3 times, just to get yourself nice and relaxed. Feel your body just supported by the chair or the floor or the bed or wherever you have gotten yourself comfortable. And then as you finish your last deep breath, just regulate your breathing to what is right and comfortable for you. And if you haven't already, just allow your eyes to close, feeling your body fully relaxing. And then just visualize a beautiful white light coming from above. Allow it to come down over your head, over your face. And allow it to just, as it passes over your jaw, just relax your jaw. Allow your tongue to fall from the roof of your mouth, feeling fully relaxed. Allow it to just come down over your throat and down onto your shoulders. And as it comes down onto your shoulders, feeling them dip, feeling yourself fully relaxing. Allow that white light to travel down over your arms, all the way to your hands and the tips of your fingers, allowing them to feel loose and limp, feeling fully relaxed and just feeling lighter and lighter. Allow that light to come down over your chest and over your heart center. And as it does, just feel the weight of the pressures of life lifting from your chest, feeling yourself relaxing more and more, giving yourself permission to take this time for you. Allow yourself to just fully relax. And feel that white light travel down over your core. Untangling any knots of tension and stress. Feel it flowing through. Feel that weight of anxiousness lift. Allow this to go over your hips and down over your thighs, fully relaxing you. Allow it to go down over the bottom of your legs and then all the way to the tips of your toes. Feeling that beautiful loving white light travel through every muscle of your body. And now visualize that white light travelling from the soles of your feet all the way down through the ground, all the way to Earth's core, connecting you to Mother Earth, grounding you, and then feel that energy of Mother Earth travelling all the way back up into the soles of your feet, all the way up your legs, up over your hips, up over your core, up your arms. Feel it igniting something within you, igniting your inner power. Up over your chest and your heart center, up over your neck, over your throat, up over your face, up over your forehead and right up out the crown of your head. And as you feel that loving white light travelling through you, feel it ignite your inner power. Feel it ignite your inner energy system through every chakra. Feel yourself relaxed but powerful. And as you do, allow yourself to float up with that white light out the top of your head. And as you rise above, rise fully up into the blue sky. Feel the energy of everything surrounding you. Feel it igniting that white light that travels within you. Feel your power getting stronger and stronger. Feel it flowing through. And then, as you start to come back down, I want you to take yourself to a safe, sacred space. And whether this is one that you have previously created or something that is new to you, find somewhere that would be out in nature, a beach, a clearing in a wooded area, the side of a mountain, somewhere that's safe and peaceful for you. And as you're there, find yourself somewhere to sit and relax. And as you sit there, I want you to imagine a giant pendulum hanging above your head. And as it starts to spin around you, that energy that you have drawn in from around you, and that beautiful white light that is connecting you to Mother Earth gets stronger and stronger as that pendulum circles round and round and round. Feel the breeze as it travels round you. Feel your inner power igniting, your natural inner power. Feel it getting stronger and stronger. If you've been feeling tired of late, feel it build that energy. Feel it restore that energy. And just sit with that for a minute. Knowing that you are connected and that you can pull that energy from everything around you. And as you feel that energy build, I want you to just visualise in your mind any stresses or any of that negative talk that's been happening of late. I want you to pop it in a large chest, wooden chest that's sitting to the side. Just allow it to come out of your mind. Pop it in that chest. Anything that's been worrying you, family stresses, money, business, work, whatever it is, just allow it to come out and pop it in that chest. And then as you've popped the last one in there, I want you to just close that chest over. And then as you close that lid, you can see a bright light shining out all the cracks. This is your power and that white light that's travelling within you. It's deactivating these worries. It's taking them away because they are only thoughts. These are not reality. And as the pendulum still circles and you start to feel clearer as you have taken all those negative thoughts away, allow the pendulum to still circle, feeling that inner power build. And repeat after me. I am stronger than I know. I trust in myself. I trust in my inner power. And just allow those affirmations to settle in. Know that you have your inner strength. Feel it flowing through. Know that you are now able to take on and tackle the day or tackle tomorrow in a more positive manner. Know that you are supported. And as I count you up from 1 to 3, you'll feel yourself coming back into the room more confident and ready to take on the world. 1, feeling yourself back in the room. 2, being able to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And 3, open your eyes when you're ready, feeling refreshed, confident, and with a clearer head to tackle any of the troubles that life brings to you today or tomorrow. And thank you.